You're looking at the June 2017 gold futures contract. The color coding and the trades that you see on the chart were generated by SceetoBots. I'm Carl Weiss, the architect of Sceeto and SceetoBots. As you may know, Sceeto, which was launched half a decade ago in 2012, was the first cloud-based order flow analysis platform. What you see here in the form of SceetoBots is the next generation of Sceeto and the culmination of everything that we have learned from our own trading and from our customers over the last 5 years. What we have learned from digging into the output of our order flow algorithms and from what many of our customers have also experienced is that though trades based on order flow are great, they frequently occur too quickly for a mere humanoid to consistently capture. Order flow information comes with sub-second timestamps, and what happens within order flow at the sub-second level, such as the rate of change of order flow, or the pace with which orders get replenished in the book, or the seemingly erratic pattern in the way that price fluctuates to the naked eye, are actually really good tells from order flow about the potential future of price direction. Though sub-second order flow data is rich with actionable information, the speed with which a trader has to act upon it is also frequently sub-second. To counter this issue, we have automated the most essential components of trading into our SceetoBots. SceetoBots are reconfigurable automated trading bots that will follow any myriad of trading rules without computer programming. These rules can be predicated on order flow and or price action. This new hybrid approach to trading with our SceetoBots leaves the overall trading strategy to the trader and allows our SceetoBots to fulfill your trading strategy using automated split-second execution of trading. This new approach to trading, which combines both a mix of a trader's experience, instinct, and knowledge with an automated trading bot, we call hybrid trading. With our SceetoBots, the next generation of trading will enable traders to focus on pattern recognition, market structure, and defining the appropriate trading strategy for any given market at a given time. These will be the responsibilities of the humanoid trader, while leaving the automated execution of that strategy to a SceetoBot. A SceetoBot that will not second guess, that will not flinch, and will not get distracted. In this example, you'll see actually two trades. One first attempt that scalped out, and a second attempt down here where there's an RE, an orange bar, and a dotted horizontal line, where at the close of this bar, the entry was the open of this bar. And you can configure a SceetoBot for any myriad of roles, any combination of trade setups that you can envision. But this particular bot was told, hey, if you're in the zone of this lower level and you get either an orange bar at this level or one of these green bars that says 1, 2, or 3, take the trade. And what we see here is a confluence of price action, market structure, and order flow. There was an original attempt down here. The market rolled down, came close to the level, and we saw this one here, which was really a sweep of the order book, and that's why we call it sweep. The market went up, pulled back down, looked like it might breach again. Trade was canceled with, I think, a 3-tick profit, and these are real trades. And price came down again. There can be an expectation that after you see some sort of sweep in the order book, there'll be another pierce. Price momentum will pierce the low, and that this in fact may be a good trigger or a good place for a longer term swing trade. And lo and behold, what you can see is that we had orange here. Orange here implies what we would consider chaos in the order book or asymmetry in the order book, where there really isn't congruence or some sort of correlation between the transactions occurring and price action. And this chaos, which had a supply side bearing, and we know that because our order flow algorithm painted the bar orange, is something we look at for in market turns. And we also look for sweeps of the order book and then buying pressure down here, which is the purple algorithm. Originally, when this trade went off, I think we had a stop and a target, probably like a 12-tick stop and an 18-tick target. But the trader can override the bot's trade management. I had a feeling that this bot might run, So what I did was I canceled the stop and target, put a manual stop in, and no target. Let it run. Later in the evening, I moved the stop up to one tick below the new pivot low with no target, and in the morning took the trade off because we felt we were getting close up to this area and it was time to move on. This kind of like wash, rinse, repeat behavior is what we look for in all the primary futures markets: ES, CL, YM, particularly GC, which I trade mostly. This particular setup is really quite a nice setup. We have all sorts of other ways that you can apply the SceetoBots. There's scalping routines, mean reversion routines, entering in a trend routine. This one happens to be working down through into the support, scalping around. When you see support may hold, trying to turn a scalp trade into a swing trade. What you see here in this window is what we call a launch pad. And this launch pad is for gold, the June 2007s, and it's a particular chart that it's affixed to, which happens to be the 1.1 range bar chart. And I have, it looks like 6 bots on this chart, 4 long, 2 short. And a trader can just use this launch pad to enable bots as they see fit, turn them on and off. And there's a couple of different configurations. You can enable a bot with E, or you can hit CB, which is current bar. I like to use current bar quite a bit because I may see something forming and say, gosh, if I get like an engulfing bar over here that beats this yellow, I think I'm going to get a quick pop up here potentially. I would just click current bar. If I click current bar while this bar was in process and the rules of this particular bot were met, the bot would automatically take the trade at the close of this bar, which is the open of this bar. If the rules are not met, when this bar closes, the bot would just automatically turn itself off.